Imphal, Kurumjiri, and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Afternoon English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. 86th Nupilan Day observed. President Draupadi Murmu pays floral tributes at Nupilan Memorial Complex. And High Command's Delhi call may signal push for new popular government in Manipur, asserts ex-Chief Minister N. Biren. Now giving you the news in detail. President of India, Draupadi Murmu, attended the 86th state-level observance of Nupilan at Nupilan Complex, Imphal today. President Murmu led the observance by paying floral tributes and honored the brave women of Nupilan. The ceremony was also attended by Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, ex-Chief Minister N. Biren, and top officials of the administration. Amidst tight security, President Murmu then visited Sri Sri Govindaji Temple, where she paid her respects to the temple deity. Later, the president departed for Senapati district, where she was given a rousing welcome at Senapati Multipurpose Hall, where she laid foundation stones of several developmental projects and inaugurated several others. That the high-level meeting called by BJP High Command on December 14 in New Delhi is likely to deliberate on formation of popular ministry in Manipur. Speaking to media during the state-level Nupilan observance, Biren said the meeting, which is set to be attended by most BJP MLAs, will also review current situation in the state, although no formal agenda has been issued yet. He urged the public to pray for formation of a new government in Manipur. Highlighting the significance of Nupilan, Biren noted that among various wars fought during British colonial rule, Manipur's Nupilan stands out as a remarkable movement led by courageous women. He said the presence of President Draupadi Murmu, who offered floral tribute to the mothers of Nupilan at today's observance, is a proud moment for the state, adding that the honor given to the women should be remembered by the people.
भारत के प्रेसिडेंट ऑनरेबल मैडम मुर्मूजी लाक्पीरकांदा अखोगी नुपीलाल की खुबम सिदा सब साना संगबीरे हरकांदा अयुक सिदा लैसु कटपीदना अदुम लैबाकी दमक्ता कथोखरबी नासिंग दुगी मफमदा लैसु कतना तौरबसे मुक कोई मणिपुर की मियामना हराउ फंगोक्सरी लोइनना भारतीय प्रेसिडेंट मतम पुनमक्ता माना पीरिबा नुपीसिंग पीरिबा empowerment Nupi piri magi respect ado lai kidraba imagine the pyramid magi respect sin Manipur miyam na so aro in Manipur imagine na gaw dana reciprocate dona na pa to hun thoi hai bo athum sidoi thamjari ki party ki di ki national party ne asoba ado party ki leader sing na koi honorable MLA sing mayam ada la akanda Manipur ki lai situation ki matang khanna si hai bri nine azabada government formation की मतंग मरी इसको इन लेने के लिए नखली अदुगो हुजिमक के कोई मदुगी एजेंडा लेत्रे अदुगो government formation की मतंग सोई न वगे ने नखली अदुने कोई आयाम बलो इन चली अदु मयाम नसु इशोड नीसी popular ministry मतंग बला को नमना.
As observed annually, Nupilan Ningsing Lamjel was organized for this year in commemoration of 86th Nupilan observance. Organized by Nupilan Ningsing Lamjel Organizing Committee, Singjamay AC MLA Yumnam Khemchan flagged off the race from Nupilan Complex, which culminated at Singjamay Supermarket. Over 1,000 participants, women of all ages, joined the race, and several supporters came out on the streets to support the women. Following the race, a separate program was held at Singjamay Supermarket in honor of the brave women of the historic Nupilan event. The race winners was categorized in 3 and prizes were presented to the winners of each. During the program, MLA Y. Khemchan congratulated the winners and lauded the women for their participation. He remarked that conflict between communities affect the state's economy and youth the hardest, and appealed to the public to set aside differences to rebuild Manipur together.
In 1904 में पहला बार हुआ, देन इसके बाद 1939 में सेकेंड टाइम्स हुए। ये बात कहना चाहूँगा, ये हमारा मणिपुर की इमा लोग इतना करेजस है कि फर्स्ट नुपीलान में भी ये हमारा यहाँ की ब्लफ मेल लोग को जबरदस्त लेबर बनाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा था। उसके अगेंस्ट में, ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट में इमा लोग ने विरोध किए थे। देन सेकेंड नुपीलान, यहाँ से चावल डिपोर्ट कर रहे थे, खाने के कम हो गया, तो सब इमा लोग ने इस बात को उठा के ब्रिटिश को रुक के ब्रिटिश एम्परर के ऊपर में ऐसे किए थे कि ये मणिपुर की इमा लोग ये इकोनॉमी एंड पॉलिटिकल चीज में भी इनकी बात रख के बना दिया ब्रिटिश लोग को।
Uripok Nupi Apunbalup, Unal in short, observed 9th Nupilan Memorial Day at Naramtong Ipatauko complex today. Uripok Apunbalup President Soram Tikendrujit, Unal President in Charge, Sagolshem Indrani, Unal founder member Konsam Punabati, social activist Wahengbam Luang Lema, Ipatauko President Maimom Deven, alongside local club members and Marup Loop members attended the observance. Ahead of the observance, many women participated in the Nupilan Memorial Run that began from Kangla Western Gate to Naramtong Ipatauko Complex. Women who participated in the Memorial Run were honored during the observance. All Manipur Nupi Marup also observed 86th Nupilan Memorial Day at Imphal Kulembi Community Hall today. All Manipur Nupi Marup President Jiribam said efforts should be made to restore peace in the state during the observance under the theme Nupilan amasung Manipur gi tangdulay da fibam da Nupi singi thautang. Retired District Session Judge Jiribam Notenashori, Imagi Marup President Tokchom Sujata, CPI candidate who contested from Kurai AC, Arki Amusana, among others, attended the observance. All Manipur Nupi Marup President Jiribam Sarojini added that All Manipur Nupi Marup organization was established in 1939 by the brave women who participated in the Nupilan incident, and Nupilan Day is being observed since 1975. She said the observance this year will discuss on prevailing situation of Manipur following the conflict that erupted since May 3, 2023.
Thui belan si kari dei tholoi no haidu warasin pubiro haidana praja section punamakna laudana lakpada kanantana buwa tabi da badana husik leiri central government amadi husiki leiri ba Manipur government husi khoi de yam sarang na hanba aduga tha taruk ki oiba president rule si sangtok tan leirakpa masi amsu leiba ya da phim lakpa asina de khoi gi aroiba upai si Manipur crisis solution biu maruina wari bisi praja section sing manung ni pida kare wai haiba ko praja sing manung da mera pai bi thoi ahing tum moi release kani ni pi shokani pangani ni pi adu yongi dai ta masa sogi da bi me am su ni pi na theng ni ko crisis solution biu haiba sida firmen ya han biu Manipur da shanti pu bi ro haiba sina ma pungoi ba ko gi demand oina ko tsari.
Chief Medical Officer CMO of Jiribam District Hospital, Dr. Vinay, announced that 2 doctors will be soon appointed at the hospital to address staff shortages. He said this during World Diabetes Day Observation 2025 under the theme Diabetes and Well-Being, Diabetes and Workplace, organized by NP-NCD and District Health Society Jiribam at Central Hall of the hospital. CMO Dr. Vinay further remarked that a radiologist and a gynecologist will soon be added to the hospital for its smooth functioning of services. On the occasion, he said that diabetes affects both young and old irrespective of ages, highlighting that an infant can be contracted inside the womb. He noted that though diabetes cannot effectively be cured, it can be kept under control. He also remarked that a balanced diet and changes in one's lifestyle can delay diabetes.
Diabetes it can affect all stages of life. Mama gi mau manungda leningai miroli ngai madam da ngang su diabetes na biya ya da tai madam da diabetes na da na su na da mama du su miroli ngai marak da diabetes na biya Aduna diabetes across life stages, every stage of diabetes prevention and control darkar.
Well, we have more news coming up, but before that, let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Yaol Tours and Travel na Delhi da leiba irei chagi oina lam koibagi khudong chaba atopa service chingdagi ataba mamalda service pijari loinana thamjariba driver khudingmak manipuri macha ngaktani all India gi leiriba popular tourist places Manali, Agra, Ladakh, Rishikesh, Vrindavan, Mathura na chingba mafam singda chatpiningbagi su khudong chaba pijari masigi sumathakta airport pickup and drop ki khudong chaba su pijari loinana Yaol courier service na khudong chaba kayama su pijari Delhi dagi pot thadokpa matamda Delhi NCR gi oina kg chamadagi hen fragadi pickup charges free oijagani Delhi to Imphal, Imphal to Delhi courier service ki charges ahongba mamalda service taujari all over India gi oina service taujai courier service asi air amadi road animakta khudong chaba loina pijai akupa marol gi damak pijariba contact number sing asida contact taubirakpa yagani.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. Now moving on, Manipuri Students Federation (MSF) paid tribute to the courageous women of Manipur who rose against British colonial policies during the historic Nupilan, observing the Memorial Day with reverence today. The student body highlighted how the women bravely resisted export of rice at a time when Manipur was facing acute scarcity, demonstrating remarkable resolve for the welfare and survival of the state. MSF further appealed to all communities residing in Manipur to set aside divisions, recognize those working against the interests of the people, and strengthen mutual cooperation. The organization stressed that unity and collective support are essential for ensuring lasting peace and harmonious coexistence in the state. Security forces continued sustained search operations and area domination in fringe and vulnerable zones across several districts, resulting in significant recovery of arms and explosives on 11 December. During a coordinated operation in the adjoining foothill areas of Jiribam and Uchatol and the Jiribam police station, personnel recovered 2 Pompi guns, 2 IEDs weighing 2 kg each, 1 para-elimination bomb, a 12-bore single-barrel gun with an ammunition pouch, 4 country-made single-barrel guns, 46 rounds of assorted ammunition, 33 empty cases, 3 Pompi shells, 3 Baofeng walkie-talkie sets, and 1 walkie-talkie charging base. Meanwhile, security forces on 11 December 2025 arrested an active cadre of KCP-PWG group from Kakching Turil Wangma locality and the Kakching police station. The arrested person has been identified as Ketrimayum Deben, alias Akka Singh, age 43, of Kakching Sumuk Laikai, Kakching district. Prescribed group KCP-PWG MC Unification warned content creators Torish and Priyanka to turn themselves in to the organization with regards to a viral video posted on social media platforms. In a press statement issued by the organization's PRO, Jinkhainganba, Takel Lambam Torish, 22 years, from Mayang Imphal, Thana Awang Laikai, and Gotimayum Priyanka, 25 years, from Babu Bazar Kong, Ahanbi, Thobal district, allegedly posted videos that demean women's dignity and offend cultural traditions. The organization warned the 2 individuals to turn in within 5 days, failing which stringent actions will follow. Lieutenant General Marup Singh of IGR South flagged off a group of 24 selected students from 4 schools in Ukhrul and Gamjong districts for the National Integration Tour during a program held at IGR South helipad. The tour will take the students to important destinations in Kolkata, including Birla Planetarium, Indian Museum, Sundarban National Park, Howrah Bridge, Victoria Memorial, Eden Gardens Stadium, Science City, a heritage tram ride, Eco Park, Wax Museum, and Vishwa Bangla Gate, highlighting that Manipur is not only blessed with natural beauty but is also a powerhouse of the country. Lieutenant General Marup Singh said the tour, which had commenced yesterday and scheduled to conclude on December 21, will help students broaden their horizons by experiencing the cuisines, culture and lifestyles of other states. Now the sports news. International Taekwondo referee from Manipur, R.K. Haripriya, has been appointed as a member of the championship's supervisory board for the 14th National Senior Pumse and 41st National Senior Kyoryugi Taekwondo Championship 2025 held at G.M. Balagyogi Indoor Stadium in Telangana, Hyderabad. Press release issued by Taekwondo Federation of India General Secretary R.D. Mungeshkar made this announcement prior to the event, officially appointing R.K. Haripriya to the supervisory board. Organized by the Telangana Taekwondo Association under Taekwondo Federation of India, Manipur fielded 8 athletes along with their coach, totaling 9 members in Pumse event. For the Kyoryugi event, the state has sent 11 athletes and 2 team officials, making a total of 13 participants. Manipur's coaching staff included Soraisam Anita for the Pumse event and Anji Radha Pyari and S. Anita for the Kyoryugi event. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. 86th Nupilan Day observed. President Draupadi Murmu pays floral tribute at Nupilan Memorial Complex. And High Command's Delhi call may signal push for new popular government in Manipur, asserts ex-Chief Minister Nupi. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.